Hi everyone, my name is Akash and today in this particular video we will be going to understand about in our module 1 what we will be going to cover. So that it will give you clear picture, clear idea what we will be going to learn about. In chapter 1 we this particular thing is categorized into 6 chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction to C language. Then chapter 2 we'll be going to discuss about basic concepts of C program. Okay, so we'll try to learn that part. Then we'll try to learn about this is the basic concepts and basic concepts of C program and declaration, assignment, and print statement. We'll try to learn assignment and print statement. Print statement. Okay. So what are the key things you will be going to learn that I will be going to talk? Okay. So in a model 1, assign statement and print statement. Okay. Then types, operator and expression we'll be going to understand. Types, operator and expression. Then we'll try to understand programming concepts, programming examples and examples and exercises. Okay, so this will be the format of this particular in module 1. These are the topics that we'll be going to cover. Okay, so this will be the thing in this module 1, these are the things that you will be encountering. So this is like module 1. Okay, we'll take this part and we'll try to understand a lot about it. First we take this particular part, maybe okay, so no issues. So module 1 module 1 is divided into the 5 chapters. Okay, so what each chapter includes: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in chapter 1 it will be the intro to the language, intro to C language. Let's say you are comfortable with Python, you can just get started with it. Okay, so the flow will be the same. Okay, if you are interested in learning C language, you can go through it, but I tell master one language first, then you try to jump according to your purpose, usage, or anything actually. Okay, master one language, you will understand what fundamentals is all about, so you can build a logic or whatever you can. Okay, so module 2 in the chapter 3, what you will be understanding is IO statements, input and output statements, IO. So that will be the chapter 2 part. Okay, IO statements. Then operator and expression you will try to understand, chapter 3. Okay, operators and expressions. Then in chapter 4 we will try to this is chapter 3. Chapter 4 you will be understanding algorithms, flowcharts, algorithms, flowcharts and statements. Okay, so these are the things you will be going to learn. Then you will try to learn uh, functions basically. So you will be learning a function. So we will discuss that. So let's get started with this is a video about what in module 1 covers. Okay, so this was the all about the video. In the next video we will be going to discuss about introduction to C language step by step. So what is this thing, what is not that, so everything we are going to discuss.
Okay, so let me repeat. Okay, so we understood about how to what is a C program and like introduction to C program. So C program is the one of the language that we can communicate with the machine in order to solve some problems. Okay, so we don't have to worry about the machine. Okay, so this is what all about the C program, and pseudocode is like nothing but what are the necessary steps that you take in order to solve the particular problem. Correct? You will write a code for it. So what are the basic concepts that you need to understand for a C program? So forget about this particular concept. So like in a theoretical aspects, this is important, but basic concept, basic structure of C program, writing a code, it's also important. We will focus on that. All right, so let me see here, let me check, is that something is happening? All right. So basic concept of C program. So whenever you write this particular C code, right, first of all you need to think of the comments first. Okay, comments will come. What is this comments, what are those comments? We'll discuss that. First try to understand the structure basically. So there is, after that there is will be a preprocessor directive. Try to note it down folks. Okay, so as it is, you need to write in your engineering or something. Engineering and the whatever the exams that you are making it out, like let's say you are in 11th standard, 10th standard, if you have the computer science as a subject, you have to do this particular. And here it will be a function declaration. Function declaration, d power n is nothing but declaration. I am writing like this. Okay, so it is a function declaration. Then here comes the main function, where the actual part of a code will be running here. Okay, and here this is will be the braces, enter of the open of the program. Correct? Then here it will be a declaration section. Correct? Then here it will be a executable section. Okay, so these are the two things you need to understand. So this is the declaration section, this is the executable section. So these are the things you need to aware about it. Okay, all right, so this is the what you need to understand. So let us understand about in detail what is this those commands. Okay, comments are one of the most important parts of the program. Like in short, you are describing what is this of the objective of the code, actually objective of the creation of the code. You are writing the description, you are explaining each and every statement in detail basically. Okay, what it will perform, what is the particular logic is all about. So let's say if I wanted to talk about the one of the commands, these will be the comments that we will be talking about, multi-line comments. Like you will write any of the number of statements here to give you a set of instruction. Okay, so that it will understand, you will be able to understand. Okay, so this is what the thing is all about, and we'll discuss that. So In the next video we'll try to understand about the print statement and step to learn a C language. So that's all for the day.